everybody, it's Big Time, and I'm here on a client's roof where we did the roof, but we also repointed the chimney. Now, when you repoint a chimney, you get a whole new sill on top, but when the sill dries out, as you can see, within a year, it starts to crack. Now, eventually, water will get in those cracks, and then the water will get in, freeze, and break the chimney again. So, in order to stop that, we're gonna put the lava repair kit on top and seal it up for good. Always clean your area off before you do what you already have done. Don't forget to stir it so you get the meshing all evenly distributed inside the can, and then simply just put the lava detail on this whole thing. That'll keep this nice and watertight for years to come, and very strong, as you can already see. This stuff has so much integrity and strength, and part of it is due to because it's polyurethane, and then the other is the fleecing that's in here, and this is a product that will last for, I'm confidently saying this myself, 100 years, because it's not gonna go anywhere. I think they guarantee it for 25, but I don't think it's going anywhere. Big time. There we go. This is going on nice. It's just easy. It's a nice thick coat. Thicker the coat, the thicker the warranty. So you can use this stuff in eaves trough, gutters, on asphalt, on concrete, on wood. And then when it gets on, we've even used it on the cardboard boxes that we've already shown in detail. And that cardboard box is still sitting there. The water is going stagnant and dark and black, and it's still in my backyard. I'm afraid to let the chickens eat out of it. It's just stagnant now, but it's still there. I was actually more surprised when the cardboard box is held up too. It's still not degraded, but I'm gonna let it sit there for a whole year. When I start using products, I like to test them thoroughly, you know? So that cement top now will never, ever, ever, ever crack. And if it does, it'll be coated. This will hold it together. No water will get in. Essentially like a brand new cap, which it was. Like I said earlier, that these caps will crack, and then you'll have the same issue with the bricks blowing out and water getting in. Well, there you have it, folks. Now I know that my clients are well protected, and this took me all of 15 minutes. This product here, I stand by and I use. Big time.